Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play We Don't Talk About Bruno from ENCANTO. Okay, go to an A flat. It looks like a G, but it's on a different fret. Now, here's a pro tip. I want you to use your thumb to rest on string G. Not play it, not squeeze it, not anything. Just kind of like a resting up against there. And you should get a beep beep sound. That means you're muting the string. So now when you strum, you don't need to worry about that string ringing because we don't want that in A flat. From here, you're going to slide to a G and you can strum the whole ukulele. And that's your intro. Those are the only chords you need there for the intro. Now the singing note, when you go to that A flat and you pick on your C string, that's your singing note. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But that is the same thing that happens on all the choruses throughout the song. So you've mastered that bit. So now let's go to the verses, because the verses have a very repetitive pattern. Okay, so the pattern here that we have is a C minor, F minor, G, and F minor. So memorize that 4-chord pattern. Just memorize that and you'll have 80% of the song. Now let's talk strumming pattern. You can do the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. You can go way slower than that. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Okay, so let's do it a little slower first, and then we'll build some speed. 1 and 2, ready, go. Now, down, 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 down. Yeah. Okay, so next in the verse, we have that A flat that you already know how to play with the mute if you want. And you're just going to do 2 strumming patterns here. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And you know what happens right after that A flat? You switch over to G. Yeah. And then you go back to the pattern that we just learned. Yeah. That's exactly right. So now you have everything that you need for a verse. So let's do a full playthrough of a verse, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, down. Yeah. Get ready to switch here to the A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Back to the pattern. Good. And you just keep going. Okay, I lost the pattern there for a second, but you know what we're doing now. All right, so now we have a bridge, and the chords are very, very, very similar to the verse, but the pattern's a little different. So we've got C minor once, down, 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 up, and then F minor twice, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and back to a G. The G is only once, so it's a little tricky. So let's do a little playthrough of that just to get it in our fingers. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down. Just stay here. Switch, 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 stay here. Yeah. Stay. Now go to an A flat. And what happens after an A flat? You slide to a G. You got this. Yeah. Nice job. So let's play through that bridge again, just because it's fun to play together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up. Stay here. G, C minor. Stay here. G. Stay here. A flat, G. Nice! Woohoo! Okay, let's go to the next section. Even though the other parts of the song are really iconic and really fun, I think singing-wise, I love how this part sounds, and I wish I could do it justice, but I'm just going to teach you the chords here. So this is the part where it goes, he told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be fun. That part, so gentle, so beautiful. Okay, so we want to go to an E flat, single strum, because we want to be gentle here, and we want to be contrasting, bring something new and different, right? Then B flat. If you're having a hard time with a B flat, just remove the ring finger and just do it that way. That works too. Now, then C minor, you've been doing this chord all around, and then back to an A flat. So let's try it. 1, 2, slowly go. 1, 2, 3, B flat. C minor. A flat, mute that G, back to E flat. 1, 2, 3, B flat, nice. C minor, A flat, mute that G. Do the same chords but at the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, down. B flat. Nice. A flat. Okay, so the next part builds a lot of suspense and anticipation. It's the part where they go, Bruno, I really need to know about Bruno. That section. So let's try it. 1, 2, you got this. Go. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. One more time. And I'm sorry, there is one really tough note in this song, and that is an A flat minor. And the frets are 4, 3, 4, 1. Now, if you really can't do this, then I prefer for you to do just the index, middle, and ring, kind of like a triangle. And rest that pinky over your A string so that you're muting it the same way we've been muting G. And you play just those strings G, C, E. This A flat minor will be used for the last bit of the verse where they go, Isabella, your boyfriend's here, time for dinner. And you're doing the same strumming pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 4 times. And after that, you go back to the C minor, F minor, G, F minor. That's it. The end of the song, very similar to the choruses where you have that A flat, then G, A flat, G, but you're gonna end on a C minor. Now, once you're ready to play along with this at the speed of the song, I have my friend Abby Lyons' video ready for you here to go. She's the one that made the chord sheet, the chords that we're following today, the strumming patterns, everything. This is her arrangement. So you're going to get it straight from the source. She's also a trained singer, and her voice appears in sitcoms and series on Amazon Prime. So you're getting it from like the best singer ever. Thank you so much, Abby, for collaborating with me on this. Let us know if you'd like us to collaborate on another tutorial / play along down below. Which song should we do next? Abby and I have actually done Disney Uke Fests for our Patreon fam, and we just started planning our next one, so stay tuned. Alrighty fam, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Today's audio was edited by Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan. And here's the video I think you will like if you liked this one.